Every time you breathe, you get $10. But David Attenborough will narrate your life for as long as you live. You get $100,000, but spiders can now fly. You can make 100% pure blue crystal meth, but you get cancer. You are given $100 million, but you have to split it with the second person when you click share and then more. You can fly, but you're in a huge wedgie whenever you fly. 50% chance the button ends all racism, but 50% chance GTA 6 never comes out.